So I'll start with the slip knot, and I will chain a random number for the demonstration. On the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, I will yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull through 2, pull through 2. First double crochet done. Yarn over into the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. So for the double crochet, you pull through 2 twice. Yarn over, insert the hook into the loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. You continue the same till the end of the row. And this is the first row completed. So usually for the double crochet we chain 3, but I prefer to chain 2, so whenever you go into more rows, the straight line here will look straight and even, but when you chain 3 it will look like loose and not looking nice. So I'm gonna only chain 2 like I do for half double crochet, and I will turn. Same process. So in this very first stitch, always with the second row, in the very first stitch we work all of our stitches. Again the same process, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through 2, pull through all. Same throughout all the stitches and throughout the work. So I go inside both loops, which are these 2 over here, and I will work my double crochet. It's very easy and simple, straightforward stitch. It's good if you want to make a quick project, or if you want to make a cardigan, anything close. And the last stitch, which is under the stitch, not under the chain. So, and that's it. This is how we do double crochet. So I hope you find the tutorial easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, take care, bye bye.